Okay, so right here, I'm just going to be playing Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. And as the last time I got Legendary Ronin's Mask, OHM Renthus, and the Royal Exo, and the Sentinel Intel Exo. So, right now my dude has the Royalty Exo and the Ronin's Mask on. So now let's go play a game. First I gotta go create my class. Let's see. Yeah, I think my KF5 redneck is good. Okay, so we're just going to be playing some team deathmatch right now, okay? So if you can't see because this is on my tablet. So, team deathmatch. Okay, yeah, I have a mic, but I don't know what, it's right here. So, just a little bit longer, and go, match begins in one, match begins. Oh, it's launching. Yes. Alright, so I'm just gonna be going with my KF5 redneck. Oh, mosquitoes. And yeah. Ooh, solar. Oh, solar's a good place. Yeah, they eventually patched the glitch spots. But hey, still works. So like a little bit here, we're gonna be going. So if you guys give this like at least 5 thumbs up, I will post more videos, and in the comments below, tell me what I should do next. So let's get to the game. Yeah, 5 button. Controller. Come on. Yeah. Doing some good business here. Woo. I tricked him there. I'm gonna be coming back. Got him right there. I'm coming over here. First person's coming, I'm gonna be so. Got him. Gonna be going down into the tunnel that almost nobody knows about. Out. There we go. There we go. Okay. UAV inbound. Oh god damn it. Okay. So now I'm just gonna be setting my sentry gun. One place. Controller. Okay. So, we're doing good right now. Just gotta send my sentry gun up here. Behind us, guys, behind us. Oh, my turret has 360 turret head. Okay, yeah. Let's go. Come on. Can I at least get number one? Oh, god damn it. Okay, come on. Come on, we can do this. I need to... Should I sneak upon me while I'm reloading? Oh, hell no. No one can do that. Ooh! Ah, you did good right there. You guys want to see more of this? Just get at least 5 likes, because I'm a newbie. God damn it! Oh my gosh, that's so fun. Okay. No more messing around. On. I'm second. I can't be second. Second is not in the family. Shit. Okay. Okay, come on. Come on. My goal is to at least kill somebody with my pistol. Come on. Pistol shotgun. Pistol slash shotgun. Alright. Got him. Oh, shit. Those laser guns are powerful. Oh shit, he got me. Okay, no. We cannot let this happen. Okay, come on. Come on. I can get a lot of kills. No, I thought I killed him. That's why you always shoot dead stuff. Even if you think... See, I shouldn't have punched it. I should have just shot no scope. motion. Boom, headshot. Kill him. Oh, kill him. Good. Daddy. Woo! Let's see this respawn. A nice shot. Come on, we can at least get my sentry gun again. Yes! We won! Yes! Okay, so that was my first video. I hope you like it. Next video, we're going to be posting tomorrow, hopefully. And bye.